Alright, so what is up, everybody? I'm gonna do this trying to be kind of quiet because everyone in the house is asleep. Anyways, I appreciate y'all for being here. You could be anywhere in the world right now and you're spending it with me. You're watching me do some shoots. I appreciate that. I gotta love you for that. So if this is your first time tuning in to one of my restorations, please go down and let me know down in the comments down below. I want to shout you out. I do reply to all of my comments. Anyways, as you can see, we have a pair of Taxi 12s here. They're not too bad. Really just need a paint touch up and a quick clean up. So this is going to be a really quick transformation video. There's not too much talking in this video. I'm just gonna go ahead, let the music play. I try to keep a theme with my restorations, and since this are the taxis, I feel like the only place in the whole world that has taxis still is New York City. So we're gonna be doing a New York theme with the music. Comment down below what y'all think. If y'all would put me on the aux, I don't know. I think I'm kind of trash on the aux, to be honest with y'all. But anyways, just go ahead and enjoy this video. Catch y'all later.
Eyes blue, 5'2". I approach the high boo, high you. Pony skin Louis, oh you fly too. You a stewardess, good ma, I fly too. Now a nigga got bacon to bake. Harlem shake, nah, I'm in Harlem shaking the weight, shaking the bait, shaking the chase. Kill you, shoot the funeral up there, Harlem shake it your weight. Just your picture though, you still taped in the lake. I'm laughing.
Now what I will go ahead and say real quick is that this wasn't even intended to be an actual video when I recorded this. I was only recording it just cause, for real. So that's why there's not too many angles, it's not that good. I'm not keeping it at eye level, so I do apologize for that.
Bitches, DTB know I don't trust bitches. Fall bitches, DTB know I don't trust bitches. No kissing and hugging, cause I don't wanna fall in love with it. Fall bitches, DTB know I don't trust bitches. Fall bitches, DTB know I don't trust bitches. What the fuck I'm supposed to fall in love with you, bitch? I just wanted to fuck with you. Thought you was cool to kick it, probably get launched with you. I never meant for shit to get so fucking comfortable. Your niggas told you they was down for you, but when you fucked up, nigga, they not around for you. They say they waited to ride 100 down for you. They clown on you as soon as they turn around on you. I salute ya, you took my bitch and you scooped her. I'm a loser, I feel like a fucking loser. Fuck the rumors, cause I passed the bag to ya. Ran through her, then I passed the bag to ya. But now I'm feeling like I'm, Fall bitches, I don't trust bitches. Fall bitches, DTB, no, I don't trust bitches. Love bitches, nah. Now I'm like, what the fuck, nigga? I don't wanna fall in love with it. I love money, I don't love bitches. Fall bitches. Fall bitches, fall bitches, fall bitches, fall bitches, fall bitches, fall bitches. My nigga, we don't fall with you.
Tell them we getting money. Bitches gon' act like they love us, gon' treat with a bag on. Tell them we getting money. Young niggas flexing, we flipping the bag on. Tell them we getting money. You disrespecting, we dropping the bag on them. Bag on them. Gang with us, you do not bang, I can't trust you, we carry no lanes with us, You switched on game for a bitch, ain't no sorry, she led you to stray from us, They talk about drilling, they talk about drilling, they talk about drilling, look. They talk about drilling, they talk about drilling, talk about drilling, talk about drilling, and fuck it, you thinking I'm soft, bitch, you bugging, my anger be sudden. I'm into put it to bratin', and I love my guns, blow you back with them. They get to panicking, looking them, feeling that pain from them. Bullets, them hollows is aching, them legs into shaking, and man can do shit for you. He can get hit with you, all free status, so them niggas missing you, cause we definitely missing you.
G, P-O, PPA, no info for the DEA. Federal agents mad cause I'm flagrant, tap myself, and the phone in the basement. My team supreme, stay clean. Triple beam, miracle dream. I be that. Catch a seat at all events bent. Gats in holsters, girls on shoulders. Playboy, I told ya. Me and Mike's to me. Cruise 2 months. I lose too much. Step on stage, the girls boo too much. I guess it's cause you run with lame dudes too much. Me lose my touch, never that. If I did, ain't no problem to get the gap where the true players at. Throw your rollies in the sky, wave them side to side, and keep your hands high while I give your girl an eye. Play it please, lyrically, nigga C, B-I-G-B flossing, jig on the cover of Fortune, 500. Here's my phone number, your man, I got the know, I got the dough, got the flow down, pizzazz, platinum plus, like Zizak, dangerous on Trizak, leave your ass pizzazz.